Hi, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retro Dome. Today we will be playing Steve Garvey versus Jose Canseco in Grand Slam Baseball. This game was released in 1987, uh, published by Cosmi, and it's an arcade action game. There's no strategy simulation involved, so strictly through joystick or keyboard. Um, I'm going to choose the Well, actually, I'll play the intro theme here for a moment, and then we'll get started. All right, I think that was enough of a sample for that. So I'm going to choose one player visitor. And let's see here. Using the Vice emulator for Commodore 64 mode. I'm going to choose warp speed so we can advance through the menu screens a little bit quicker. All right, so we have the ability to substitute players in the lineup. I'm just going to keep the standard lineup here. Um, and the only real players are Garvey and Canseco batting fourth for their respective teams. The rest of these are just fictitious names. So I think we're pressing this key. Let's see, there we go. Okay. And I need to make sure I've got the right joystick setting here. Let's double check. Joystick 2 looks right. Okay, so I'm at bat. I found the controls to be fairly difficult to master here, and you'll see me flailing away at a bunch of pitches. Every once in a while, you connect, and it seems like it's more of an accident. Whoa, there's the heater right past me there. 2 outs. Nope, no luck on that one. 2 strikes. Whoa, that was in the catcher's glove before I swung at it. And now I'm in the field, and this will probably not go well. All right, so to pitch, you're using the joystick and one of the directional buttons. Sorry, well, I'm using a gamepad, so I'm pressing the D-pad and uh, button. I think that's button 1. Sorry, it's tough to read it on this controller. So let's say if I do D-pad up and the button, that's a heater. I do D-pad down and the button, that's some kind of a breaking ball. Let's try it to the left and to the right. Whoa, I think I had some wicked break on it. This guy just doesn't want to swing, huh? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I kind of figured that. Not easy to field in this game. One of the things I found is very frustrating is the first baseman doesn't cover the bag on a grounder. So when you throw the ball, he's just standing at his regular position, then you have to run over to first. Maybe there's a trick to this. I haven't figured it out yet. And I don't have the manual, so. Oh, a nice bunt. Catcher's got to field that and throws to center field. That's great. That's a perfect throw. All right. Now, the question is, will I be able to get an out? Oh, that's over my head. Okay, very tough to read the ball in this game. Send it home. Out of there. All right, that's one way to do it. All right, I'll just let him hit it to the outfield, and then we'll throw him out at home. That's the new strategy here. Oh, that thing's nasty. Here comes the heat. Get that, come on. Oh, you gotta grab the ball first. Oh. Okay. Okay, got the ball. Not going to beat the runner first, and we gave up a run. 1-0, 5 hits already for the home team. There's a strike. Ball 3. Don't want to put him on base. Oh, not good. Walks in a run. 2-0. All right, comes the heat. There's a strike. There's a ball. Strike. We get one more on the outside corner. Nice. I got out of the inning with only 2 runs allowed, but I really haven't made much of a play in the field here. All right, let's see if I can make contact. And the answer is no. Oh, the change is way out in front of that guy. Now he's going to throw me some heat. And I'm way behind. All right. Oh, he makes contact, and it's a line out to the pitcher. Okay. Hey, it's kind of a victory in itself there. Down and in. Well, just not catching up to that thing. All right, well, that was a quick inning. There's a ball. Striker. Two balls, one strike. There's the heat. And there's the heat. Well, looks like nobody can hit the heater. This is not just me. Oh, why didn't the shortstop go for that? Oh, look at this. I got the tiny switch. Third baseman turned into a tiny fielder. If I come back to the infield. Oh, there he is. Okay, well, amusing myself here. There we go. And we're back. That's the little things sometimes, right? There's a strike. So we get another, get him to swing off the plate again. Yep. And now we'll throw the heater past him. Yep. All right. Start him off with the heater. And then go to the off-speed stuff. Oh, that's a ball. Okay. Oh, broke the wrong way. Little guy, little guy, little guy. Big guy. We gotta have fun with it because the game is pretty, I don't know. To say this is mediocre would probably be kind. Oh, nope. Oh, throws it to center. Throws it home. Not in time. Why would you throw it to center? Makes no sense. There's a strike. That's two. Heater. Oh, who's got that? Who's got that? Uh-oh, that's out of here. Nope. Oh, grab the ball. There we go. Behind the back. Okay. Heater. Nice. Breaking ball. Oh. I say I caught that. Oh, he throws it into center. And another run scores. And it's 5-0. Very difficult to judge a fly ball in this. The cursor from the Rusa games. Not much of an arcade gamer to begin with. Oh, we're going to tag the runner. Oh, let's tag some more runners. Hey, let's tag this guy up. Just make sure you're on the bag there. Okay. And we get out of the inning and gave up 3 runs. Whoa. So difficult to hit. If it were easy, everybody would be a big leaguer, right? But this is ridiculous. Kind of takes the fun out of it. All right, I'll make contact at least one more time here. Maybe not. All right, well, that was a quick inning. 9 pitches, 9 strikes. Maybe I should try to let one go by now and then. All right, here's the pitch. Ball just dies in the grass. Oh, so that's why. Okay. So button and right second base. Let's call it down and to the right, and plus the button is first base. So down and to the left, third base. There we go. All right. Well, that's why I'm throwing the ball into center field. I still don't know why you'd even have the option to throw it into to the center fielder. That's Kind of ridiculous. Whoa. And there's a home run. What first appeared to me to be a line drive to center. Sailed right over my head and over the fence. 2-run blast, 7-0. The Canseco squad is ahead. Okay. And throws it to first. My first baseman is not standing on the bag. Very annoying. Okay, come on, 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 come on. Tiny outfielder, tiny outfielder. Can't throw the ball. What's the problem? Okay, not allowing me to throw. Can't go there. Oh, there we go. Good stuff. Apparently had to press the second joystick button to throw that one in. No idea why. Might be in the manual. Regardless, why am I using a second button to throw when I'm using the first button all the other times to throw? Oh, the bunt gets the bunt down. Who's going to get it? Catcher. Catcher has to come out and get it. Alrighty. Base is juiced. Nobody out. Heater. Oh, oh, oh. Rounder to second. And my first baseman is not there, of course. Alright. 8-zip. There's a strike. There's a ball. Strike 2. And here comes the heat. Make the sound effects because not a ton of sound effects in this game. So, all right, 1 out. Heater. Ball. Ball. Is there a button to argue? Oh, that's a double play ball. Look at him scoop it and forgot the ball. 9-zip, 17 hits, 3rd inning. Ouch. Center fielder coming in. It's going to be over his head now. I don't know. Oh, he caught it. He caught it. We have no idea how, but he caught it. Oh, first base, first base. Oh, no, get it. Throws it over to short for no good reason. All right. 10-zip. Heater. Ball. Change up. We got a gun from center. And 11-0, and I'm getting no hit. So just I gotta get a hit. We're gonna play until I get a hit. We could be here all day. Oh, he throws it to the wrong base. Oh, he's out at home. The old 4-1-2 put out. Nice. All right. Let's see if we can even foul tip the ball here. All right, I'm just gonna try to time this here. No. Just way late on these. Way late. All right. Wow. trying to do it before he throws it. Wow. 2 down. Just being overpowered here. Not cool. Cool, man. Give me an inside pitch. Ah. All right, well, I don't know how long I can continue this. This is a pretty futile effort here. I guess we can at least go 5 innings, right? It's a mercy rule in effect. Two strikes. No, 2 balls, 1 strike. Heater. Nope, that wasn't the heater. What happened? That was supposed to be the heater. There we go. We walked him. All right. Let's refocus here. Up and away from this guy. Let's see what happens. Oh, you got a piece of it. Out to center, running it down. Why is the second baseman standing there? And I threw it to first, so it didn't matter. Why the fielders don't move to the bag? That was a poor decision on the part of the developer, I would say. Out and out. No, I tagged him. Say that. I think he got doubled off. I got unbelievable. All right. Well, we'll just have to whiff this guy. And that's a ball. Not what I was trying to do. Up and in. Ball 2. Heater. Ball 3. Come on. Killing me here. And we walked him on 4 pitches. Well, this pitcher has allowed 21 hits and a couple of walks, so just leaving him out there. Oh, broke the wrong way. Goes to third. We do have 1 out on that line out to first. Should have been 2 outs. I don't know if I was supposed to step on the bag because this game doesn't know the rules. Like you're allowed to tag people. I don't get it. Heater. Oh, we got a hold of it. Get there. Oh. But we're going to make a diving catch there. Cool. Oh, third. Oh, tagged him out. Yeah, tag that guy out. Tag this guy out. Knock him off the base. Ah. All right. 13, 14 zip. And be a no hit. And made contact once. Oh. And caught it. And let's make it 4 outs. Just to be safe. Oh, we escaped the inning. All right. Gotta hit this ball. No, we don't. We're just so far behind on these. Ugh. Good. I don't even have a chance here. Oh, little dribbler. Come on. Breaks up the no-no. Got to give me a hit on that one. There we go. Oh, so tough to make contact here. It's ridiculous. Come on, throw me something over the plate. Ah. I'm going to let one go by. See what happens. Strike. Oh. Yeah. think we're good, right? Not a huge fan of this game. Controls, I don't know. Maybe somebody's had more luck with this thing, but I found them pretty difficult to master. The fielding and obviously the hitting, very very difficult to get the timing down. So I'm sure I'm not one of the better players at this. Somebody probably had this back in the day and was able to do something with it, but not a fan. But wanted to present it just as another game that was available back in the mid to late '80s for the Commodore 64. Until next time, keep playing ball and check out my other videos on the Hardball Retro channel on YouTube and Twitch.